saw it? You saw it? Let me see that hat. Say hi.
Hi.
You're getting recognized already. Oh my goodness. Rapunzel. There it is. The big ball. Alright, Larissa, remember, we gotta remember we're by Moana, okay? I forgot where we're at. Dang. Guys, it's extremely hot out here.
Guys.
Never thought it was gonna be like this.
Guys.
Yeah.
You guys can see that we're at Disneyland.
No, we're at Disney World.
We're at Disney World.
Disney World, Orlando, Florida. Tell everybody to hit the like button, subscribe.
Hit the like button and subscribe and hit that bell button.
Yes, ma'am. Hit that bell button. Got my little worker here. Look at her. Oh, there's a damn. Go ahead. Whew. At least you're getting a workout, huh? On your vacation? Honestly, still can't believe we're like across the United States. It's pretty crazy, to be honest. I've never been on a plane. First time traveling this far. It's pretty crazy. Her too. All my kids. But look at Zed. Look at him. Look at Zed chilling in the shade. How's Zed? Let's see the shirt. Turn around. Turn around. Let's see the shirt. Dang. May the 4th be with you. That's tight, eh? That's tight. Say hi, Rapunzel. No, say hi, baby. Let's go see what Chris is up to. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, baby. Look at mama.
We got Rapunzel over here too. Rapunzel number 2. Alright, Zay, we're in. We're in, dude. So we're in. I can't wait because I think the first one that I want to ride is the Remy ride, huh? The Ratatouille one, no?
Yeah.
Want to check that one out? And I just spoke to the, what do you call it, the Disney security, and he was telling me that it's usually this humid during hurricane season. And I'm like, damn, I didn't realize we're in hurricane season. Like, could that be a possibility that we get hit with a hurricane? Like, better not be. Also, I heard Chevy Chase is here. I don't know if that's true. If he's here, I'm gonna see him. But what's up, Chevy?
What?
I love you, National Lampoon's Vegas Vacation. There's a comedian supposedly here. I don't know if he's really here though. His name is Chevy Chase. He's hilarious. I love him. Hopefully we get to see him. He's extremely old though, so he might be like in a wheelchair or something. I don't know. What is that? What's that ball called, Zay? What do you think that ball is called? The Disney ball? I don't know. What's in there anyway?
Well, what do they call the one big disc?
Oh, the sphere?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I thought you meant in addition to.
Yeah, it could be the Disney sphere, huh? That's probably what it is. Here we are. Epcot. That's cool, man. Spaceship Earth. Look at this place. This is huge.
Why do you want to go on?
Whatever you guys want to get on first. What if we do the Ratatouille one?
Yeah.
We'll have a Ratatouille ride. Or whatever you guys want. Actually, doesn't feel that hot right now. Actually feels pretty good. You guys gonna be scared? It's Pluto. Oh my god. Alright guys, here we go. Say hi, Pluto. Give him 5. Yeah.
Hey, mommy. Want to see you?
What's the name? Rub his nose. Oh, there you go. The seas, Nemo and friends. Look, they even got the talking birds right there. The mic birds. Right there. What do they have here? Seahorses? Oh, that's cool. Oh, look, I've never seen a seahorse before. the cleanest stuff, huh?
Oh yeah, look at that one.
Krishna?
Look at Carissa. Look at Mama.
Oh my goodness, baby. It's a seahorse. Look. That seahorse.
Ooh, look at it. It is pretty. Look at them just floating in there.
It's cool. A seahorse, huh? Honestly, cool. Look at that one.
Mommy,
It's chilling. Oh, that's good.
now we can go this way.
It's camouflaging, huh? Look, he's right there. He thinks he's slick.
Why is that happy?
You see it there, huh? Look, he's right there. He's in the coral. He thinks he's slick, huh? Oh, you look, your hat glows in the dark. Sheesh.
Oh yeah.
That's tight, damn, boy. Either that or it looks. You see the fishies? You see the fishies, baby? Look, touch it, touch it. Go. Oh, you see it right there?
Look at Nemo.
Look at Nemo, baby. Nemo. You see him? There he is. There's Nemo and Marlin. Look, they're right there. Spending quality family time.
Yeah, look at the poop. Look at the poop.
Look, is this their home? Is that where they live?
You guys want to go see the sharks? Let's go see the sharks. Come on,
Let's go see the sharks. You want to go see the sharks? Let's go see the sharks, baby. Bye, Marlin. Bye, Nemo. Bye, guys. Oh, look at this guy. Fish our friend, not food. Look at the shark, baby. Oh, it's a playground. You see the shark, baby? See the sharky? I'm in China. We're going through Spain now, baby girl. Look. España. España. Vamos para España. Mira. Winner of the, what was it? Winner of the Euro Cup 2024, by the way. España. Woo. My phone kind of died, so I had to, like, you know, charge a little bit before I recorded anything. So, okay, here we are. Look. Nice. What'd you get? What'd you get? A gourmet cheeseburger.
Back up.
Is it really? Carissa,
609.
Ratatouille's back.
609.
That's the time?
There we go.
Ratatouille's back. You want to get on Ratatouille? Yeah. What do you got, baby? Let me see. Rapunzel, what do you got there? What are you eating?
Chicken and macaroni and that. So that's all. Hi, peace, bro.
A little bit of watermelon. Is it good or no? Yeah? You know what would be good? Have you tried tahini? It's like the chili stuff we put on the... No, you haven't tried it? No? It's pretty good. Daddy got the half... What is it? Like half a chicken with some mac and cheese, cornbread. Got some bones right there. Chris is eating nothing. We're in Japan, guys. Woo. It's currently thundering in Japan. Are you scared, Larissa? What's... You're scared of what?
Doctor.
You're scared of the thunder? Oh my goodness, it's just thunder. It's just gonna blow out your ears. I'm just kidding. Here, watch. Look at that. What is that over there? That's cool, man. Look at the big old bonsai trees right there.
I'm trying to see if that's
Wow, I want to visit Japan in real life. Look at that. That's cool. Hey, hands up. That's cool. Larissa, we're in Japan. Larissa, we're in Japan. Daddy, we're in Japan. You saw it? You saw it? Let me see that hat. Jeez. He said Navy hat. Dun, dun, dun. She's not scared. Larsa's really scared. Larsa's okay. Ooh. Big old flash, yeah. Dang. Yeah, I think we should go home. What? Alright, I'm gonna interview you. Oh look, you can see the Epcot ball from here. See it? There it is. Alright, let's go. Let's go to Ratatouille's Remy. What's it called? Remy's Ratatouille Adventure or Remy's Adventure? Ratatouille Remy's Adventure? I don't know. Something about Remy and his adventure.
It's Remy's cooking adventure.
Something like that. Something like that, right? Remy's something adventure. There's a what?
There's a rare 50 chance that the lightning goes where my hand is. Ready, say go!
All I know is that we have now entered France. Let's go find this Remy ride. Look at that. Look at the architecture. Beautiful. Is that what it looks like? It looks like in real France? Because I don't know. That'd be cool. If we ever get to go one day, then I'll be able to confirm it. But as of right now, we're in Orlando, so can't confirm with that. So, all right, let's find this Remy's silly adventure. Remy's cooking adventure.
It's cooking.
It's what?
It's freaking cooking adventure.
All right, let's find it. Look, we got people fishing down here.
Come on, so I can reserve another one.
Okay, let's go. Look at that. Dang, they got the Mickey Mouse right there. Sheesh. Proof we're at Disney and not in France.
$7.
Okay, let's go. Whoa, let's go to Remy's. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try my best to record as much as I can because I know this ride is like really bumpy. I think it's really bumpy, I don't know. Or there might be a lot of movement, you know, stuff like that. So, like I said, if I can get it, then I can. Oh, baby. Yeah? Are you excited? Are you excited for this one? She's excited. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? You guys aren't gonna be scared, right?
Watch us get there and it's closed.
Yeah, we got on the Frozen ride not knowing there's like a bump in it, like a drop, huh? And I'll post a picture right there so you guys can see it. And this kid's like freaked out. Is that real? Is that real? I don't know. Oh, it's called Remy's Ratatouille Adventure.
What do you think it was?
They was calling it Remy's Cookie Adventure. You ain't gonna cook in this. You're gonna whip out a... I'm excited, dude. It's like the only thing I've always heard about this ride too. Like, this is a good one, and this and that. And people filming out here. Sheesh. Beautiful water fountain. They got rats spitting out wine and champagne and stuff. Look at that. My dreams have come true. I actually love this movie so much. It's like my favorite movie of all time. This is one of my favorite movies ever. Like my favorite Disney movie ever. So the fact that they have a ride is pretty crazy, honestly. Let's go, kids. Closing gonna wait, as you can see. Let's go. Ready, baby? Krista, ready? Let's go. Feel it. No drops.
Just you experience the life of a rat.
Oh, okay.
Okay, princesses.
All right. Thank you. The homies right there, Remy and Linguini. Yeah, that's cool. Oh my God! As soon as you walk in, you can feel the AC blasting. Woo! Let's go. Jose already knows I love this movie. It's like one of my favorite movies ever. There's two. She hasn't seen it, but she'll love it.
The next one is
Okay. Oh, look at this girl talking. This is the line. Alright guys, I have bad news. I did not know the ride was 4D, so I wasn't able to record it. But I heard it's really cool. And I heard it's really fun. I freaking love that ride. That one is bad. Maybe if we end up going on it again, I'll be able to ride it. Chris, look. Nicola, what did you think about the ride? Did you like it? Can you see her or no? What did you think of the ride? Did you like it? You probably love Ratatouille. Where are you guys going? Oh, is that a Vespa? From Luca? Where are you guys going? To Starbucks? Is that one too?
There's that smile.
That little Vespa. Yeah. Oh, you know what? I think that's Colette's Colette's street bike. I think that's Linguini's, no? Either Linguini's or the chef. I forgot his name. Chef something. Chef Evil Man. That's what they call him. I forgot his name. I really did. Alright guys, we gotta cut today's video short. It's starting to pour right now. Let's go. Here we have Cabal. 1, 2, 3.
Look guys, smile.
Yeah guys, so we had to get ponchos because it started to pour out here. So we can actually continue our videos. You know, I've never, at least we got these things for next time next time it rains and stuff. Let me see, turn around, Zay. Turn around. I want to see the back of it. Turn around. Look, so this is cool because it has all the parts there are. Anaheim, kind of like where we live, Orlando, Paris, Tokyo, Hong Kong, Shanghai. That's tight, honestly, it's really cool. Alright, so let's continue this journey. Oh, we're heading out? Alright, we're heading out. It's alright, but at least we got it for next time.